Collector's Corner coin picks for the week of September 14, 2015. As of today, there are over 86,000 coins available for sale. This week's coin picks come from Armand Molina Rare Coins. Here's an 1860 Liberty Seated Half Dime PCGS MS66, CAC certified. The IAPL on the coin made me buy it. 1875 S over CC Trade Dollar Chop Mark PCGS MS64. 1878 CC Morgan Dollar PCGS MS66, CAC certified, rainbow toned on reverse. 1902 Liberty Head 2.5 PCGS MS65, CAC certified and fully struck. This coin is right out of the top 10 gold type sets. Great IAPL. 1935 Silver Commemorative Hudson PCGS MS64. For coins in this video or other coins you may be interested in, please visit collectorscorner.com.